महमूद अहमद शहद, सीनियर इंस्ट्रक्टर, गवर्नमेंट सादिक कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स, भावलपुर। डीकॉम पार्ट सेकंड, इंग्लिश शॉर्ट हैंड, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 12, सेकंड हाफ। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 12 सेकंड हाफ के मुश्किल अल्फाज, शॉर्ट फॉर्म, और सबसे पहले हम फ्रेजेस करते हैं। इमीडिएट, advantage of their conditions, there is opportunity which we have specially mind, we find valued, lifetime, world, to take new ideas warmly. There are those who that there is nothing discover. There are danger to their own special interests. It is not always clear eyes. Truly, we find ourselves thinking being done in such must be the possible, hath not been done before. It should not be carefully में upward, careful में downward. In this respect, इसको मिलाकर लिखें, mind which makes while earlier labors probably no more than or two out of millions. Importance भी ऐसे लिखा जाता है, शॉर्ट फॉर्म है, that it will influence action throughout the methods which have served those who have been successful in their fields to deal with situation, difficulties, field action in which we are ourselves interested. Exercise number 12, second half, 60 words per minute. But these men did not wait for opportunity to come to them. They took immediate advantage of their conditions to make their own opportunity stop. In the book which we have specially in mind, we find that in most cases the man's work was valued during his lifetime stop, but the world is not always ready to take new ideas warmly to its hard stop. In every age, there are those who feel certain that there is nothing left for man to discover. There are others who see in the new idea a danger to their own special interests. Stop. It is not always easy to look at something new with clear eyes to judge truly the value either of our own work or the work of others. Stop. We find ourselves thinking that because a thing has always been done in such and such a way in the past, then that must be the best possible way for it to be done, or because a certain thing has not been done before, then it should not be done now. Stop. We have to keep a careful watch upon ourselves in this respect and try to keep an open mind. Stop. If we try new methods in our own work, we shall sometimes be wrong. Possibly, we shall often be wrong, but sometimes we shall meet with success, which makes worth while all our earlier labors. Stop. Para. Probably no more than one or two men out of all the millions living today can hope to do something so important that it will influence world thought and world action throughout the ages to come. But the methods which have served the great men of any age and helped them in their great work have value for us today in our less important work. Stop. By marking the course taken by those who have been successful in their special fields, we can learn better how to deal with our own situation, our own difficulties in the field of thought and of action in which we are ourselves most interested.